Hello my friends, welcome to today's video. I'm Jeanette with Vivo Vintage Designs. In today's video, I wanted to share with you what you need to get started with alcohol ink. I've received a lot of questions about what should people buy when they're just getting started. So just to start, these are the things that I feel you should have just to get started, to get a feel for it, to know whether it's something that you enjoy doing or whatever. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is something to work on. So you can work on tile. You can buy these tiles at the Home Depot. They are glazed. And what's great about working with tile is that you can practice on it, and then if you don't like it, you can simply spray it with some alcohol, wipe it off, and start again. Of course, wipe it off better than this. Now, once you're feeling comfortable and you want to try some photo paper, because there are different papers that you can work on. Yupo is one of the papers. There's a lot out there, but photo paper is really inexpensive. This photo paper is by Amazon Basics, and it is the glossy photo paper, and it doesn't have any writing on the back. Well, obviously it's in a plastic, but if I remove the sheet, there's no writing on the back. So you would use your alcohol inks on the matte side, not the glossy side. The glossy side is designed to absorb ink when a photo is printed on it. So if you pour ink on the glossy side, it's going to absorb it, and it's not going to allow you to move the ink around. So you want to use the matte side, because that is designed so that the ink that's printed on the front does not go through. So your inks will flow nicely on there. I also like the Kirkland photo paper, but this has become a little bit more difficult to find. So I found the Amazon Basics, and I've been using this. Now, all the links to the products that I'm showing you will be listed in the description box. And the description box, for those of you who don't know, is just below the video where you see the title to the video. If you click on that box, it will expand. You can click on show more or the arrow pointing down, and the list will expand, and there you'll see all the products that I'm talking about and links so that you can check them out or purchase them if you're interested in doing so. So now there is a starter kit by Jacquard, and that's also going to be in the description box. And I forget exactly how many bottles, but I'm going to post a picture so that you can see for yourself. So this is a set, I want to say it's about 9 or 10 bottles, and it's a great starter set. It's the set that I started with, and I think that it's about $23 to $25. And the only thing that you're not going to get in this kit is the Ranger snow cap. And this is what I use to create those pretty centers for the flowers. What you will get is the Blanco Blanco, but it's not as thick as the snow cap. The snow cap is a mixative, so it's really thick and will create those gorgeous centers for you. So now to create those centers, I use micro brushes, and I order these from Amazon. And it's like a dental tool or a makeup tool. I'm not even sure what it is, but these are great. And I'll show you what they look like. They have this little white cotton tip, and this is what you use to create those really pretty centers. But if you don't have these, you might want to use a dotting tool, or you can even use a cotton swab, just to get yourself started. Once you're feeling more confident, then you can order the micro brushes. They're really inexpensive. I get 400 at a time, and I don't think it's more than $10, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the price has gone up. As you can see, I have lots. Then of course you're going to need alcohol. And I prefer to use 99% alcohol because it contains less water, obviously, and it dries faster, so I'm able to work quickly. You can't use anything less than 91% alcohol because it will have too much water in it, and ink and water don't mix. So I recommend getting the 99% or the 91%. And then you're going to, I like to use the applicator bottles for my alcohol. And this is what I'm currently using. These were sent to me by one of my followers, and I really do like them. The only thing that I don't like about them is that they're really small. These I purchased on Amazon, and I just reordered some more. I think I paid like $8 or $9 for 10 of them. And you can see that they're a little bit bigger. And they have this nice needle nose so that you don't get a ton of alcohol onto your painting. And what I like to do also is, if I find that it's releasing too much alcohol, what I do is I lay it down on the table, and I, on the edge of the table, say this were the edge, I would lay it down like this, and I take a hammer and I hammer the tip and make it a little bit flatter so it releases less alcohol. And now to move the ink, if you're just starting out, I recommend you try the Ranger hand blower. I have a smaller one. Give me just a second and I'll show you the smaller one. This one here. This is for cleaning the lenses from your camera or your keyboard, whatever. But this is really small. It doesn't blow out enough air. This one fits comfortably in your hand and blows out a good amount of air. You can also purchase, once you're more comfortable, you can purchase an airbrush. The one that I have, again, will be listed in the description box, but I think it's about $100 these days. And I happen to love it. It's got an adjustable PSI so that I can adjust how much air pressure I want to be released when I pulled the trigger on it. And the compressor came with an airbrush gun. Of course, I never put any paint in there. I just use it for the air. And then when you don't have to have this particular blow dryer. If you have an old blow dryer that doesn't blow a lot of air, you can use that. This is by Revlon, and it came with a part here that has a brush so that you can curl your hair, but it has high, low, cool, and off settings. And what I did was I took off that part. And when this one, if I set it on low, it's not a lot of air that blows out. It's just enough so it doesn't push my ink all over the paper, but just dries it. So you want a blow dryer to dry your ink that doesn't have a lot of force, so to speak. And I think that's basically all you need to get started. I can't think of anything else. I think that working on tile is a great start. So you just need a couple of tiles, and you can just wipe it off, practice and wipe it off, and continue to do that. And once you get more confident, you can purchase your photo paper, which is not that expensive, especially the Amazon Basics, and it works really well. Get yourself the set of the Jacquard alcohol inks and get yourself started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this and found this information helpful. If you have any questions about any of the products that I've shown you or anything else, just leave it in the comments. I'll always get back to you, and I'm always very happy to help. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's a really nice way to show your support for this channel, and it really does help me because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my content, and it makes it available to other people as well. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.